The LIGTSPCE Hybrid 10-inch frying pans offer a great combination of stainless steel and non-stick. This pan is PFOA free. It makes cooking easy and cleanup a breeze. The hybrid design is like having the best of both worlds in your kitchen. It sears like stainless steel and it prevents food from sticking like a non-stick pan. This LIGTSPCE Hybrid 10-inch frying pans can be your new choice for everyday cooking. This LIGTSPCE Hybrid 10-inch frying pans is built to last. It is made with quality materials. It is also dishwasher and oven safe. This adds to its convenience and durability. You can use it on all sorts of cooktops. These include induction, ceramic, and gas. This makes it a versatile addition to your kitchen supplies. It is not just a pan. It can be a thoughtful gift for someone who loves to cook. The LIGTSPCE Hybrid 10-inch frying pans aims to make cooking simpler. Food slides off easily thanks to its non-stick surface. This means you can use less oil for healthier meals. Cleaning up after cooking is also quick and easy. No more scrubbing stubborn food bits. This pan could become a staple on your counter. It is a practical choice for any home chef. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: PFOA free, stainless steel, dishwasher safe, oven safe, induction ready, ceramic cooktop use. Gas cooktop use, even heat transfer, less oil needed, durable build. Cons: handle needs assembly, not fully non-stick, mixed reviews online, some find it's not durable. Non-stick can wear off, might need oil for eggs, smaller cooking surface, thickness not for high-end features. Hybrid design 10-inch size, non-stick surface, PFOA free, stainless steel, dishwasher safe, oven safe, induction cooktop compatible, ceramic cooktop compatible, gas cooktop compatible. This 10-inch LIGTSPCE frying pan has a special hybrid design with both non-stick and stainless steel surfaces, so food won't stick easily. It's made without harmful PFOA chemicals and is safe to clean in the dishwasher and use in the oven. This pan can be used on different kinds of stoves, like induction, ceramic, and gas cooktops. This LIGTSPCE Hybrid 10-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel and has a non-stick surface that is PFOA free. It can be used on all types of stovetops, including induction, ceramic, and gas, and it's also safe for dishwashers and ovens. The pan is designed for even heating and requires less oil for cooking. However, the handle needs to be put together, and some users have found it's not completely non-stick, with the coating potentially wearing off over time, and it might not be very durable or ideal for cooking eggs without oil. The cooking surface is also noted to be on the smaller side, and the pan's thickness might not be suitable for those looking for high-end cookware.